be insulated.
Finally.
Yeah. It still took us most of the weekend. We thought it was just going to take yesterday, and here we are. It's Sunday night. It's already dark, and I think we finished up like 2 hours ago. So tomorrow morning we're waking up really early. We are going to be taking the bus into Carson, just about 40 minutes away, and dropping it off at the installation place. So super excited. I'm a little nervous that a lot of this is going to rattle loose, but we brought all the tape. We'll be bringing all of it with us so we can tape it up pretty quickly. And hopefully a week from now it'll look completely different. We'll have the same exact shot, just different. Yeah. Anything else you want to say? Any comments on how this was?
Not particularly.
It was definitely more steps than I planned for. The scope of this work compared to the van it was on a whole different level. And the professionals that I was watching said that it took them 120 hours roughly, like working hours, to prepare for installation and getting all the electrical stuff done. And I believe it. I think I probably did put in that many hours. So it was brutal. But
yeah, everything will start looking a lot cleaner after we clean up after installation, get walls up, floors in, the ceiling back in. It's gonna start looking more finished really fast.
Yeah. Get it back, get the ceilings, floor, and the walls in. It's gonna look amazing after that.
Yeah, it's gonna look so clean after that.
The whole build will be a lot more rigid. It'll be wonderful.
So quiet.
Yeah.
Probably.
All right, we're gonna get some sleep. All right. It is really windy this morning, and it looks like it actually had a light rain or something. It says there's a chance of light rain coming in the next hour. I can actually see it on the mountains way off. But we gotta get this bus started, get ready to roll, so. Crate's totally fine. Oil pressure looks good. Get the fast idle going. Crank totally fine. Whew. Let's go around and check everything. Forgot to check in here last night. That's a problem. Alright, let me go get a screwdriver. I gotta fix this.
to get in a better habit, I didn't put it in neutral before I started the emergency brake on.
All right.
I smell
Here it is. Looky, looky. It looks incredible. It looks great. Beautiful amount of coverage. All on the walls. They brought it all the way out. Oh, this is great. Can't even barely see everything. It's gonna be a lot of trimming, but it looks great. It looks incredible. Wow. Wow, I'm so glad we bagged everything like we did. Wow.
I mean, this was cheaper than we could do it ourselves.
Yeah. Yeah, this was $500 cheaper, and this is way more. They gave me way more than I expected to. This looks great. They got me all the way out to the boards here, so it's gonna be wonderful. It's perfect coverage around the fans. Oh, I'm gonna turn the fast auto off. Perfect all the way around. All the way up close and tight to the windows. Oh man, it's gonna sound so good while driving. Bottom part. Yeah. It's little cow patties.
Yeah.
It's really just gonna be this upward section that's the most, because this has to be trimmed back in a little bit to get the
Are
wood.
you worried at all about this?
Nope. That's totally fine. Totally fine. No problems there.
I swear, if you get cancer.
I'm not gonna get cancer. Look, I always ride with the window open. It's still hot.
Okay, you're gonna run the window open?
Yeah, I always crack this window.
Okay, makes me feel a little bit better.
This looks great.
It looks good. Better than I was expecting.
Is my door on? Where's my door?
Try and rip one of these pieces of tape down. Right,
Oh, this. Which one?
I don't know, just an
The
easy.
hat channels?
Yeah, one hat channels.
Wow.
Not bad. Ooh,
Well, when it
just
comes-
kidding.
I just need like a. Be able to
Uh-oh.
just grab it some more. I wonder if the chemical reaction weakened it a little bit.
I don't know.
Oh.
That was looking good though for a second.
It's definitely gonna make a massive difference.
Okay, yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna be
Yeah.
too bad, but
Yeah,
not
it's gonna
as
be
quick
great.
as we were hoping, maybe.
Dude, this stuff is so tight.
You got it all in your beard now.
Oh, do I really?
Yeah, you got it all over your face, and on your lip.
We'll pick up some masks still from Depot this week. I
Yeah,
got 'em
gotta
on the
do
list.
that. Hold on, come here. Got it all on your mustache. My goodness.
Oh man.
Got it on your neck. Okay, you're good.
Do you want me to pull a window down?
No.
Okay,
Probably
we'll
not.
wait on the
Just
window.
wait.
But look how great that looks. That actually looks really good.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's pretty good. Oh, we gotta be careful. We don't want to pull it down. I'm gonna get him up here again. Getting too excited. I start pulling on things. All right.
You want me to go back and tell you when you can stop?
Yeah, just to make sure.
good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Alright, that's all I need.
Alright. Okay, so you're gonna take this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna follow you.
Yep.
Love you.
Love you. Alright, so right now we are currently cruising at 65 miles an hour. And I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's way quieter in here. Now there's a ton of wind noise on a massive brick like this, and this front area is really prone to wind noise. But as far as like rattling and all of those micro vibration noises from the metal, completely gone.
Alright. Close the lever. Or pull the lever across. Sorry, I messed that up. Ah!
Here, hold on.
Sketchy. Ooh, what was that?
All good. You know who you're running with?
The backup king.
Back up King.
It's very quiet in comparison to what it was though.
Yeah. Like, you can hear that noise, and then you can hear this window right here beside my ear doing its light little rattle. But outside of that,
It's not too bad.
yeah. Alright, will you go check it out for me?
Yeah.
I think I'm pretty close.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You can stop there. You go a hair back more if you wanted. It's fine. Yeah.